Well, I've officially made it to the mall. With my revolver, this is where we're going to be trying it out. Alright, this is where we're going to be testing some stuff. Well, we had some minor technical difficulties. Very minor. Not a giant hole to the bottom floor. Well, I grabbed some zombies, and I'm going to be testing railgun ammo on this guy right here. 3, 2, 1. Oh my! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh crap! Crap! It's on fire! Okay, well, I got the fire all figured out, but as you can see, there's a hole going straight through the building. Alright, on to the next zombie with cannonball ammo. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Where did it go? Oh, here's its leg. Oh, and its other leg. Oh my. That is crazy. Your turn. Boomerang ammo. Whoa, what the heck? Whoa. Is that gonna stop at any point? Is that gonna just destroy everything I put in front of it? Oh, it did stop. Alright. Time for record ammo. Shoots vinyl records. 3, 2, 1. This is rhythm ammo. I don't know if you can hear it. It is rhythm ammo. Oh my. What? I quote hit the beat and it. Oh my god. Okay, well, explosive ammo time, I guess. Okay, time to find my revolver in the rubble. He's upstairs. Get back. Okay, it's like, I saw it. Got it. How did you survive? Hold on. I have a problem with that. Let's do... Ooh, let's do laser. 3, 2, 1. What the heck? Why is that so inaccurate? There. Oh, so that's how you use it. Alright. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Now I'm gonna blow this place up using cannonball and railgun ammo, because those were the two coolest ones that I like. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching.